Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. With Father's Day just around the corner, you're probably racking your brain trying to figure out what to get Dad this year. Let's be honest, he has enough socks, ties, and cologne to last a lifetime, so what do you get him instead? Stay tuned because we have 10 unique and thoughtful gift ideas that will make this Father's Day unforgettable. First up, we have a customized star map. Capture a special moment like the night Dad was born or the date of a significant family event with a beautiful star map. You can find these on websites like The Night Sky, Picture the Stars, and Maps for Moments. Next, for the Grill Master Dad, a personalized BBQ branding iron. Let him brand his steaks and burgers with his initials or a special message. Check out Not on the High Street or Etsy UK for this unique gift. Give Dad an unforgettable experience with a gift voucher. Whether it's a hot air balloon ride, a cooking class, or driving a sports car, sites like Red Letter Days and Virgin Experience Days have got you covered. For the dad who loves to jot down thoughts or sketch, a handmade leather journal is perfect. These beautifully crafted journals are available on Etsy UK and Papier. Help Dad grow his own herbs and plants indoors with a smart garden kit. These self-watering kits from Click and Grow or Amazon UK make gardening easy and fun. Preserve family recipes with a personalized family recipe book. Compile all your favorite recipes and add photos and notes. You can create these on Shutterfly or Mixbook. For the tech-savvy dad, a virtual reality headset offers immersive gaming and entertainment experiences. You can check out Amazon UK and Curry's PC World for the latest models. An engraved watch stand is both practical and personal. Help Dad keep his watches and accessories organized with a custom stand from Not on the High Street or Etsy UK. Celebrate a special place with custom map art. Whether it's where Dad grew up, met Mum, or a favorite travel destination, sites like Mapiful and Graphomap offer beautiful, personalized map art. Finally, consider a subscription box tailored to Dad's interests, whether it's gourmet snacks, books, craft beers, or outdoor gear. Websites like Cratejoy and Bespoke Post have fantastic options. So there you have it, 10 unique Father's Day gifts that are sure to impress. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy Father's Day shopping, everyone.